Pagdinig ng Senate Committee on Public Basic Education, kinwestiyonin na Senator Raffy Tulfo at Senator Loren Ligarda ang disenyo ng ilang school building ng DPWH at DepEd na walang toilet sa bawat palapag. At sa ilang kaso, hiwalay pa ang palikuran sa mismong building.
Our advocacy, entitled Seek of Comfort and Cleanliness, is all about campaign for the stinky CR of Santo Tomas Senior High School, especially Humes Building. It's promote the idea that a clean and organized environment.
Since the school year started, one of the major concerns around Santo Tomas Senior High School was the cleanliness of environment, particularly the comfort rooms. Many students are not taking up seriously this concern that leads to unhealthy state of environment. In this advocacy, we would like to create an action in order for the students and school to have and maintain a place or environment that is safe with. Lastly, this advocacy will also teach and help the students to be responsible enough as the individuals or as the ones who benefits in using comfort rooms.
This advocacy of Seek Comfort and Cleanliness aims to improve well-being by emphasizing profound impact on clean and organized environment. Simultaneously, it provides physical health by minimizing the illnesses and infections through the reduction of germs and allergens.
To achieve the goal of this advocacy, we need to follow the steps one by one. First, set realistic goals and recognize the roles of school organizations like YESO and SSLG. Second, take action by assigning students or sections to clean the restrooms. Each assigned group is expected to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes after class to be made. For example, Monday to Wednesday, grace. Thursday to Friday, other sections will be assigned in cleaning the restrooms.
To achieve this advocacy, we need to buy the equipments or tools needed in the restrooms. In this situation, we are advocating for the donation of each section for at least 5 pesos per person. And then the estimated cost would be 1,800 pesos, which would be essential for buying the things needed in the restrooms.